I've made the argument that Ether is a commodity. It's been listed on CFTC exchanges for quite some time.
2024 has been an incredibly crazy year for cryptocurrency. Despite the current rough market conditions, there are significant developments happening behind the scenes that are driving the crypto space forward. These developments are not yet reflected in the prices. Recently, there has been major news regarding Ethereum that will have a substantial impact on the future of this technology. In the video today, I will delve into these developments and explain why it's important to stay informed despite the prevailing concerns about the decline of altcoins. Stay tuned for all the important details.
If we look at Ether and the highly decentralized nature of the networks, we don't see a third-party promoter.
All right, let's talk about this big news for Ethereum. Well, the SEC officially closed its investigation in Ethereum 2.0, and now we've got clarification that Ethereum is not a security. If you're relatively new to crypto, this may not seem like a big deal to you. But if you've been around for a long time, people have been in the dark on whether Ethereum is actually security or not.
Is Ether a commodity or a security?
To make it clear, security is a financial instrument that holds some type of monetary value. It might represent shares in a publicly traded company, like a stock. It might represent a creditor relationship with a government body or corporation, like a bond or rights of ownership that can be exercised as an option, and the famous rule that basically determines whether or not an asset fits one of these categories. It's the Howey test. And Ethereum does not satisfy this criterion, and therefore is not a security. This means that Ethereum is not under the regulation of the SEC Securities and Exchange Commission, but the CFTC, the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission. And this is massive news that Ethereum is a commodity, not a security. Now the implication is there's now regulatory clarity for Ethereum, making it an investable asset class, which is significant. You won't have to fear regulation changes, and you'll have confidence in being able to withdraw your money. Another implication is that it encourages innovation. People will have more confidence in building on the platform, and there's clarity on what is categorized as a security. The SEC has dropped this and officially declared that Ethereum is not a security anymore. This approval is huge. If you ask, who is going to buy Ethereum through ETFs? Because most people could just get on a cryptocurrency exchange and buy it that way. Why do so through an ETF? Well, there are two big reasons. Number one is its institutions. They actually want to own a derivative product like this through a trusted third party. So this opens the door to billions of dollars in demand for ETFs. The asset itself, through this, means because institutions can buy and size in a way that you or I can't. Besides, old investors can purchase this through ETFs. And don't forget, they can buy through retirement accounts for a very long time. They might have way more money in their long-term retirement accounts than they do in liquid cash in their bank accounts, or just even in their primary residence. So these people might have hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars in these accounts, and they want to allocate a portion of that tax-free money to Ethereum through ETFs, and they can also trade around. In fact, it's Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only two crypto assets that have clear judgments on them, whether they're commodities and not securities, like basically no other crypto has. That to this point, and pretty much every other crypto has a long way to go to prove that it satisfies the How test. Another big implication of the SEC dropping its lawsuit is basically declaring Ethereum not a security, and putting it in the realm of commodities is another big implication for political and governmental regulation in the United States. It's been kept in the dark for far too long, so this is a relief. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you with another informative video soon. Peace!